Deja Clark is a young Australian social media star and content creator who has built a significant following across multiple platforms. Deja is the youngest daughter of Jonathan and Kat Joey Clark. Her mother, Kat, is a weight loss and fitness coach who became a TikTok star herself, while her older sister is Letitia Clark, also a popular social media personality. Deja is of Filipino and South African descent, giving her a rich cultural heritage that resonates with her diverse audience. Deja creates diverse content including fashion posts, beauty tutorials, comedy skits, and vlogs. She has expanded her presence to YouTube and continues to grow her audience with relatable humor and trendy fashion sense. In her free time, she enjoys skateboarding and surfing, activities that reflect her Gold Coast upbringing and beachy lifestyle. Her success has led to partnerships with major brands like Sephora and Benefit Cosmetics, establishing her as one of Australia's top young lifestyle creators. Deja created her Instagram account in 2021 and posted her first photo on August 24, 2021. Her popularity grew rapidly and she has since amassed over 1.8 million followers on Instagram. She is particularly well known for her TikTok account where she creates beauty, lifestyle, travel, and dancing videos, often featuring her family members. Her collaborative content with her mother, showcasing their fun and sister-like dynamic, has become a signature element of her brand. Despite her young age, Deja balances her budding career with high school, prioritizing education while using platforms to promote positivity, self-expression, and family values. Her content's special lies in its relatability, blending teenage whimsy with aspirational glamour, earning her shout-outs from brands in beauty and fashion. On TikTok, under the handle Deja posts a mix of beauty hacks, travel diaries from Australia's iconic spots, and dance routines that showcase her agility and joy. She co-runs a collaborative account with her mother, featuring comedy skits, cooking demos, and heartwarming family antics that emphasize their dynamic mother-daughter duo. In August 2021, she debuted her self-titled YouTube channel, though it remains lightly active with a handful of blogs exploring her daily life and creative experiments.